Hi, my name is Karen Tocaria. This is my presentation. This is the city we are going to live. It's calm Duitama. I like is calmate and the people. There is a very nice shopping center, a lot of commerce. It has very beautiful landscapes. In the city we will my baby and my cousin. These are new apartment. It has a kitchen, a living room, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. I like where we are going to live is very comfortable and cozy. My daily activity is I get up to make breakfast for the girls. I take them to school. I'm going to the gym. I get to have lunch. At 12 we have lunch, and in the afternoon we do homework. They from their school and I the universe activity. We leave to the park, and at 9 we going to bed. Thank you.